for light drizzle along the coast and in the higher terrain. Later on today, a front moves across the Bay Area. That brings in some high, thin ice crystal clouds, cirrus clouds. Temperature change compared to yesterday. It's a little bit cooler, a few degrees cooler, mainly in the 50s, a few 40s in the North Bay. It's all about the winds today and tomorrow and into Sunday. So we'll see these onshore flow of winds. It'll turn northwesterly. Look as I put it into motion. Okay, already Bodega Bay this morning, 23-mile-per-hour gust. Look at the colors light up. They turn orange and red. And look at the numbers as they start to increase. Novato 33, San Francisco 29, and Bodega Bay 34. And they strengthen even more as we go later into the day. Keep your eye on Bodega Bay, 50-mile-per-hour gusts possible there. So 45 to 55-mile-per-hour gusts are possible along the coastline, 25 to 35 plus inland. So that's going to be this afternoon, and the winds really don't die down much overnight. In fact, they start to regenerate and increase again. The winds are kind of northerly at this point, as you see on Sunday morning, and then we're going to really see the breezy conditions. That's the main thing for this weekend. Temperatures today, mainly in the 50s, that is in San Francisco, 60 officially in downtown San Francisco. At the beaches, we'll keep things mainly in the mid-50s, and elsewhere as you head to the Bay shoreline, upper 50s to low 60s, 59 degrees in San Bruno, a little warmer as you head southward. San Carlos 63, Mountain View 65. Here's the South Bay, and oh yes, we're warming up, but not as warm as yesterday. 67 in San Jose, 66 Milpitas, and of course the East Bay is warmer, 68 degrees in Livermore, but these numbers are not quite as warm as yesterday. So it's a cooling trend, and you couple those slightly cooler temperatures with very breezy conditions, it feels a lot cooler. 69 degrees in Walnut Creek, 75 for Yountville, 68 Sonoma, and in Point Reyes, 61 degrees. A look at the next 7 days. Well, it's a cooling trend, definitely Friday into Saturday, but it's all about the winds. And then finally, we start to cool down the winds and warm up the temperatures. And look how sunny and warm as we head into Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday and woo, Thursday. But you know what? We do have these offshore winds, dry conditions, and then we start to worry a little bit about fire.